Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how you can get access to any Instagram account you want. It's very simple. You guys can see the tools in the background of my screen, but I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it. All you have to do is go on recoverig.co. So go ahead and type this in, recoverig.co. This is the Instagram recovery tool, which allows you to get access to any Instagram account you want, and I'll show you guys exactly how to use it. So once you get on the website, here you're going to want to enter the Instagram username of the account that you want access to. So go ahead and type that in here, and then you can hit connect account. Alright, so once it hits connect account, it's just going to retrieve the profile information, and now it's just going to process your request. Once you see this page, just go ahead and hit password, and then hit recover account, and then hit sure go ahead. And now it's going to process this request as well. And here the recovery phase is now starting. And what it's doing here, you guys can read it. It says it's connecting to the Instagram API. So it's connecting to the database, fetching the account, and fetching the password and decrypting it. And then eventually it will send it to you. It doesn't matter if you know that or not. All you need to know is that's what's happening in the background. And eventually you're going to get the details to the Instagram account. So we're just going to wait for this password retrieval. And once it's done, we can go ahead and do human verification. And the reason there's human verification is because the server has been being overloaded with a lot of bots. So it just wants to verify that you're human. So all you have to do here is scroll to the bottom, and here you can type in your email address. And this is where you type in an email address that you actually own, because this is where the Instagram details are going to be sent to. So go ahead and type in your email address right there. And then you guys can go ahead and hit unlock. And now it's going to redirect you to this site. And on this site, this is the human verification portion. You just have to install 2 apps from this list and follow the instructions below each app you install. So for the first app, I'm going to go ahead and install Solitaire Deluxe 2. And it's just going to redirect me to the App Store, as you guys can see right here. And then I can start installing the first app. Alright? And then I'll go back onto the list of apps and choose the second app. And the second app is TapTapDig. So you want to install 2 apps from that list and follow the instructions below each app you install. So you guys can see here, I have to search it on the App Store. I just have to press a button. And the app I clicked was TapTapDig. So I'm going to keep scrolling until I find TapTapDig. Alright, so that's the page. Now it searched a keyword automatically. So I'm going to scroll down until I find this app. There it is, and now I'll start downloading it. So I'm going to make sure I'm on each app for at least 30 seconds after they install. So let's wait for the installation to complete. Alright, it's complete. So for the first app that I installed, which is Solitaire Deluxe 2, I'm going to show you guys how to complete the human verification. It's very easy. All you have to do is just make sure you're on the app for at least 30 seconds. So during those 30 seconds, you want to make sure you're doing human interactions on the app. And what I'm doing here is I'm just touching the cards around. And this is how I'm getting those human interactions done on this app. So very simple stuff, like I said. I'm just going to go ahead and continue doing these interactions on this app. It doesn't matter what you do on the app as long as you're doing interactions on the app. Alright, so I always go a little over 30 seconds just to be sure the human verification is completed successfully. So that is why I'm going a little over 30 seconds with these human interactions on this app. Alright, so it's definitely been well over 30 seconds, so now I'm going to go into the next app, and this is the last app I have to do to complete the human verification before I get those Instagram details sent to my email address that I typed in earlier. So same thing here, very simple stuff, especially on this app, because all I have to do is tap to dig. So I'm just going to keep tapping my screen and digging. So yep, just going to make sure I'm doing this for at least 30 seconds, and then this is the last app like I said. And after this, I will have completed the human verification successfully, like I said. So we're going to keep digging here. Just make sure that you're doing the human verification and you're actually interacting with the app. If you just go on the app and you don't do any interactions, you might be detected as a bot. So make sure you're doing these human interactions on the apps you install. That way you can be successfully verified as a human. Alright, I completed the human verification, and now I'm going to go ahead and check my email. And let's refresh it, and we will get an email of the Instagram details being sent to my email. So I'm going to show you guys right here. It says Instagram password report. We're going to click this email, and we now have access to the account I typed in earlier. So I'm going to show you guys this actually works, and we're going to log into this account after it sent me this email, and we're going to type in the password it sent me. Alright, so now I can just go ahead and hit the login button, and you guys will see I've successfully logged into this account. So if you guys want to get access to Instagram accounts like I did just right now, just make sure to follow all the instructions of this video very carefully and go on igrecover.co. Thank you guys for watching and have a good one.